So here we are, day 2 of our attempt to launch the sailboat. And Bruce is in there, oh yeah, developing film. Alan got the bright idea to bring Hot Doggy along. And so every stop we gotta make, Hot Dog's got a mark. Or is it every stop we make, Alan's got a mark? One or the other. Ain't that the truth? Fucking mess. So what's the plan, Bruce?
Let me explain the plan. As you notice here, we have a huge body of water. Then we have a boat. The boat must go into the huge body of water. Now, how we will accomplish that, nobody knows.
That sounds like a good plan.
Cigar?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not smoking, so I'm
Why are you smoking right now?
Oh, you're not?
Oh.
I thought while we're driving out there, you might enjoy it. It's kind of nice there.
Actually, out there.
I don't know, it's kind of nice when you're driving.
It is.
Hey.
See, we got the attack dog there who's going to actually pull the boat into the water.
For us. We got this figured out.
Yeah.
We've already done a couple dry runs with it.
Yeah, he's swimming out into the water.
That's it.
Right.
He's got that upper body strength.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
His tail's the rudder.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here we are, off again. Oh, there's the sailboat. What's it doing up there? I don't know. Sailboat's there. Water's down there. Sailboat, water. What's up with that?
Okay, so we need to get that from there to here. Right?
From there down to there. See,
There.
that's where the trick is.
Okay, so from point A to point B, this shouldn't be hard.
Getting
Well,
it down here probably won't be hard. Getting it in the water.
exactly.
Okay. I see tow truck.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 26-hour guy.
Yeah, 26 hours a day.
Is he?
Yes.
It's a tweaker then.
Yes.
Hey, how'd you like to drive your Hummer around the water, buddy? I bet it goes out there far, huh?
He's probably never taken. This is probably the only time it's ever been in dirt.
Yeah, right.
26-hour towing.
Water looks like it's a little higher.
Great, more wet dog. We should have brought a bar of soap with him too.
Yeah.
There he goes. Oh, he's gonna sniff the spot the dog shit at yesterday. Oh wait, no, that's where Alan was just standing.
Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Definitely.
Yep, sure enough. Look at that support.
What's the point?
Not too far, hot dog.
It's actually sitting up there on the front part.
Wow.
Front and the back.
Oh, look at this thing.
Well, that bungee helped out.
Shit. That's not good.
Something to block up underneath that axle.
worst case scenario is what? Breaks that axle. I think they'd have a camera up here looked at it.
No, it's a little too high tech.
Cool.
See different water levels right there on this little island thing over here.
Pretty spectacular, isn't it?
You see all the different. Jeez. Man, oh man.
The amazing thing is one time that was totally underwater.
I know.
Come there in a single park ranger vehicle out here.
There's one. Well, I don't know. I know that's why Bruce moved the vans, because there's a park ranger. I think Bruce is using that. Oh, there goes Bruce. Bye. See Bruce.
Be like Joe Dirt. Hot dog.
Oh, nice. He leaves the door wide open. Everybody can see. Oh.
Few years of savings just made it that long on convention.
That's true. There you go, hot dog. Get it, boy. Extend your territory. Call boat transport?
Call boat transport and Dave Jacobson.
Okay.
Call boat transport first and see if they can get us out towards 4 or 5, some 5 feet of water.
Minimum, yeah.
See if they can get us out farther.
Sounds
Say,
like
well, I don't know. Say, well, how much is it going to cost? Well, more than a boat, huh?